So now comes the interesting topic, communicable diseases. This is very interesting because we can relate this to our present pandemic condition. The present COVID condition is very relatable to this. See, COVID-19 or this coronavirus can be transmitted from one person to another very easily. So this COVID-19 is a communicable disease. Why? Because it can be transferred from one person to another. And the microorganisms which are being transferred from one person to another, those microorganisms are known as pathogens. These pathogens can enter our body through air, water, food, physical contact and insects. So here what we need to study the ways how we can come in contact with those microorganisms or those pathogens. See, there are two ways. I am taking the example of COVID-19 to help you understand. Suppose if a COVID patient A is there and suppose I am Z. If I come in direct contact with COVID patient A, then I am very susceptible to get the infection or get the disease. So this is through direct contact. Now suppose another person Y is there. A and Y have contacted each other, but I have come in contact with Y, not directly with A. Then this is indirect contact. So diseases can be contracted, or we can get the disease through direct contact or through indirect contact. So indirect contact can be through the person interaction. It can be through air, through water, through other infected things. So we will deal with these here. So one is through a direct contact with an infected person and another is through indirect contact. And in indirect contact we have touching and sharing things. If we are taking the things of infected patient, then we may suffer. Then through the air we breathe. Suppose any COVID patient sneezes and the sneeze will carry millions of coronavirus with it. So now if we are being exposed or we inhale those coronavirus, then we are very susceptible to get those virus inside our body, and we are very susceptible to get that COVID-19 disease as well. So this is through the air we breathe. Then through the contaminated food and water. Suppose any COVID-19 patient is there and he or she is selling something, some foods and water. Okay, so we may take that, so we may also suffer from that. And another thing is there, if we are using some things like some food or water, food if it is not cooked properly, if it is not washed properly, it is contaminated, then we may get the disease. Water if it is not properly available for us, or if it is contaminated, so we may become infected. Here is one more thing, through the vectors. Through the vectors means, vectors basically are animals which carry the pathogens from one person to another. So those animals that carry the pathogens are vectors. Like if here only I'll take, suppose a mosquito is there, a mosquito bit A. Okay, that mosquito has sting A. Now after sucking the blood of person A, that mosquito has come to Z. Now if it has stung or bit Z also, then Z is also susceptible to get those infections. So these, because of here the mosquito, because of the mosquito the diseases have spread here. So this is vector mediated spread of disease. Vectors are involved here. So mainly this table you have to learn. This is very important. Children, you just go through it. What you need to remember is, what may be asked, what is the vector which causes the spread of malaria? It is Anopheles mosquito, a species of mosquito. Then filariasis is caused by Culex mosquito. Then yellow fever, dengue, chikungunya, this is called by Aedes mosquito. Then our house flies or the flies. Housefly causes typhoid, cholera, diarrhea and dysentery. Then sandfly causes kala azar, tsetse fly causes sleeping sickness. Then louse and red flea. Louse will cause epidemic typhus and red flea will cause bubonic plague. one thing, children, here you all might be very confused because of the very new terms you have been introduced here. So I'll help you out. What you can do is you Google these diseases and the symptoms. So from the symptoms you can easily remember. You can Google the images for this. It will be very easy for you.